So I want to talk to you all about atomic pressure relief, or atismal pressure relief. Atomic is when it's nuclear fission, which is, well, I'm not going to get into nuclear fission. I'm going to stay on subject right now. Atomic pressure relief is when atoms degrade and the pressure inside of them releases into our atmosphere, which is causing our atmosphere to push downward and up and separate with the two spectrums of pressurization. Buoyant particles and dense particles. Dense particles go up, buoyant particles go down. The more pressure there is, the more separated they become, which means the sun actually gets bigger. So atomic pressure relief, or atismal pressure relief. Atismal is when it's not nuclear fission. So it's really atismal. Atismal pressure relief with atoms. We're talking about atoms now. Atoms are little teeny circular things that are hollow, and they have pressure voids in the center of them. The smaller the atom, the bigger the pressure, or the bigger the pressure void. It's called a pressure void because it has less particles in it, because the pressure pushing out. So we'll just call it pressure. Let's just call it pressure. There's a higher pressure in it. The smaller the atom has higher pressure. So when atoms degrade or they're exploded through fossil fuel use, what happens is the ions inside come out and they put pressure back on our atmosphere, causing global warming because it presses down on the two spectrums of pressurization, causing the sun to actually get hotter. It doesn't actually get bigger, it gets hotter. It does get bigger because it presses out ions. The ions go into the universal cell wall, expanding that, causing the cell and the nucleus to get bigger. Thank you guys. This is me. This is my science, and I give this to you for health and wellness.